Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about iPhones, and more specifically, I'm going to show you really quick how to screenshot your iPhone. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, why would you want to screenshot your iPhone? That's pretty easy. Possibly there's some important information and you want to easily be able to access it in your pictures, or possibly somebody sent you a message and you want to go ahead and preserve that message before they delete it. Either which way, it's a pretty easy process. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to do it. So I'm currently on an iPhone 7, and if you have one of the newer iPhones that has the face recognition, then you know that there is no home button. There's no physical button press. That's okay. We're going to go through that as well. So if you have a phone like mine, the first way you can screenshot your phone is by pressing the power button, which is right here on the top right, along with the home button, which is this physical circle button that measures your fingerprint. So I'm going to do that now. So you just press them right together. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, it screenshotted the phone right there. And it comes down here in the bottom, so you can go ahead and just drag it off to the side if you want. And then that way it just stores directly into your pictures. Or if you want, let me go ahead and do it again. I'm pressing this button along with my power button. If you want to go ahead and edit it, you just click on there, and then you can go ahead and resize the photo, and you can also go ahead and write things in there if you'd like. Once you're done, then you can go ahead and just save it, save to photo, and that way the new photo is now saved into your photo. So that's if you have a home button like what I do. If you don't have the home button and you have one of the new face recognition, I think it's iPhone 10 and above, it's going to be basically the same process, but you're going to use the power button, which again is there on the top right, and then you're going to use the volume control button, which is right here on the top. There's an up and there's a down. You want to press up button. So you'll press the power and the up volume together, and once you press them together, it's going to do the same effect as if you just saw on this phone. So those are the first 2 ways how to screenshot on your iPhone. But if you're like some people, either your volume doesn't work or your power button doesn't work, there is a workaround. You want to open up the settings app on your iPhone. Let me switch over to that now. All right, here I am on the settings app. It's this gray one. It looks like a gear icon. This is nothing you need to install. It's already pre-installed on your iOS device. I'm going to go and open mine now. Okay, once you're here, then what you want to do is scroll down until you get to accessibility. It's this line right here. It looks like a person with a circle, white circle around them. I'm going to click there now. All right, once you're here in the accessibility, you want to scroll down until you get here to this line called touch. I'm going to click there now. Once you're here, then you want to go ahead and click on this assistive touch. So if you don't have this on already, like I don't, you want to go ahead and click in there. I'm going to click there now. All right, so once you're here, then you want to go ahead and turn that on with this little toggle button. All right, so I went ahead and turned mine on. Now this little thing pops up. It's going to float around on your screen. Once you're there, then you want to go ahead and choose an action for this button. So what I like to do is go ahead and use this single tap right here, the top line. I'm going to click there now. Once you're here, then you want to scroll down until you see screenshots. This line right here, I'm going to click there now. All right, now you have it set up that if you tap this little section right here, it's going to screenshot your phone. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. You just go right here and tap it, and all of a sudden it just takes a picture of your phone screen right there. So that's the 3rd way you can screenshot your iPhone. If you happen to know another way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. And hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.